Hello everyone, my name is Gnanaraju. I'm a 20K Senior Executive President team member from Herbalife Nutrition India. So it's my pleasure to present to this video on why people are not unable to lose the weight. So in spite of several attempts, why people are not able to lose the weight? This is the question many people are asking me, and I wanted to share with you this presentation on why people are not able to lose weight, and are there any tips to lose weight faster? Okay, this is my subject today. So, but before sharing this, let me explain about myself. My name is Gnanaraju. I was a district registrar before under Group 1 services of Andhra Pradesh government. I worked as a district registrar. I also worked as Assistant Inspector General of Registration Stamps, and I also worked in several field posts like Khammam, Nalgonda, and Vijayawada. After which, after working there for about 10 years, I resigned my job. So actually, one of the reasons why I came to Herbalife Nutrition is because of my wife. She was struggling to lose her weight. I myself lost weight, and my wife lost weight. And this is the why, main reason why I changed myself and wanted to help the society. Then in the process, I developed a lot of passion in this subject, wanted to help more people. That's a reason why I became a coach. And I'm here with 18 years of experience, almost 18 years into this field. And myself lost weight, and my wife lost weight. My children are becoming taller with the right kind of nutrition. And I'm a triathlete now. I do half marathon, and I run 21 kilometers. I do 40 kilometer cycling, and my children also triathletes. My wife also does workouts. About this is all about myself. I am a certified nutrition fitness consultant, certified sports nutrition consultant, certified exercise science specialist, certified by American Society of Nutrition, and marathon runner, and cyclist, and CPR and AID certified Zumba and Strong by Zumba instructor. With this kind of experience of 18 years, so I wanted to share you this video on why am I not losing weight. Many people, they stuck up somewhere and they wanted some help. So these are the some of the tips to lose weight faster. So all the days of weight loss are not the same. Initial faster weight loss does not mean you will lose at the same speed throughout your weight loss journey. Meaning, initially you may lose 5 kilos, 7 kilos, 8 kilos also in 1 month, but doesn't mean all that weight whatever you lost is only fat. It could be water also. Initial results will be usually will be faster, because of the water loss, not necessarily the fat loss. So fat does not form fast, and does not burn so quickly also. So that's the reason why sometime, very few cases, fat will burn, where fat will form very quick, but it will not burn so faster. Usually that is the case. So faster result could be due to faster water loss. So fat loss is usually at the rate of half kilo to 1 kilo per week. That's a usual speed. So there's just so many obesity clinics and fat diets cheat the people, and they confuse the people because of this. So don't trust everything you see. Even salt looks like sugar. This is interesting. So you should be careful, and you should be choosy about what are you doing. So don't focus only on weight loss. Focus on the inch loss. Focus on the centimeter loss. This is centimeter loss when you measure the waistline and hip size. So this is called inch loss or measurement loss. Actually, if you understand, weight loss is supposed to be volume loss. Volume is quantity. Like you cannot say like it is 1 liter petrol. It is sorry, you cannot say it is 1 kilo petrol, but it can say always 1 liter petrol. You cannot say it's 1 kg kerosene. It is 1 liter kerosene. Why? Because the volume. Same way, fat is when measured in terms of volume. CC's volume. So that's the reason why you should say it's a how many centimeter you lost, but it's a weight loss is a general word. People always use it. So actually, volume loss is the correct word instead of the kgs loss, weight loss, right? So inch loss is indicating dropping the sizes is more better actually than the weight loss, because fat you measure in terms of volume. I said earlier, if muscle gains, it's good. It is a healthy weight gain. If you fit into your old clothes, you are actually losing weight, correct? So inch loss is the correct one. So one more ad stick is take photos at each milestones. every week, maybe every 10 days, every 15 days, the picture will actually speak the correct, thing. Take lot of photographs and compare yourself before and after. Photos tell you the more story, real story instead of the weighing scale. You don't need to lose weight and become sick, but you need to lose fat, gain muscle mass, and look great and feel energetic. Healthy weight loss is equally important. It's not just only weight loss, healthy weight loss. Why I'm telling you, consisting of four components: muscle loss, weight is equal to bone weight, muscle weight, water weight, and fat weight. So you shouldn't lose the water unless it is excess. You shouldn't lose the bone weight. Okay, you shouldn't lose the muscle weight. So what is supposed to be lost is the fat loss, correct? So fat loss you only measure in terms of volume loss, so centimeters, and some fat percentage, correct? So sometimes the in terms of weighing scale, both fat and the muscle weight will look same, but fat occupies more volume, na? More space. So that's the reason why, if you understand the woman usually they are pulpy, so every body parts, very soft, because they are usually the body weight, entire body is made up of fat, okay, per unit. Whereas in the same case with the men, usually the muscle component will be more. So men will have more muscle relatively comparing with women, right? So because their makeup is like that, body is made up, makeup is like that, so God made like that. So what we can do? So that's the reason why usually the weight loss will be more for the men, because the weight is constant in the belly, whereas women have whole throughout the body weight. So that's the reason why taking measurements throughout the body weight, throughout the body is very important and vital. So that's the reason why most important one is the shape, not just the only weight. So weighing scale will not give the true picture. Enough protein intakes to improve lean body mass. So lean look is important, lean body mass is very important. So if you understand this picture, the left side picture indicating the in a obese person, right side picture says is a normal person. If you see the picture carefully, what is shown in the red color is mostly the muscle mass, skeletal muscle mass, certain soft muscle mass, certain areas like heart and liver and those areas, right? So what is shown in the red color is the muscle. What is shown in the white color is fat. Of course, live about the bones, right? So what is supposed to be lost is the fat, not the muscle, not the bone weight, correct? So if you see the picture, you understand more clearly, visibly, right? So that's the reason why the vital parts is you shouldn't lose the muscle, not the bone, not the water, unless it's a water is excess. Okay, otherwise you should not lose muscle or bone or water. You should lose the only fat. So that's the reason why the main point is the body composition, not the weight loss, correct? So if you see here in this picture, this fat is accumulated in the stomach region, tummy region. It's called visceral fat. Visceral fat is more dangerous. Fatty liver is more dangerous than the other things. So that's the reason why in MRI, magnetic resonance imaging thing, even if you are thin, you can be fat. That's called TOFI, mean thin outside, okay, but fat outside, fat inside. Thin outside, fat inside, TOFI. Okay, so or SOFI, or slim. SOFI means slim outside, looks slim outside, but fat inside. SOFI or TOFI. So which is more important? It's only weighing scale or the scanner? The scanner is more important. Carada scanner, we call it like a bioimpedance analyzer. Bioimpedance analyzer. It actually measures the body composition analysis. What is body composition? How body is composed of? So that's the reason why we always check the client with the body composition rather than only weighing scale, because it gives the true picture. So BMI is not the true picture, because BMI is ultimately a ratio between weight and the height, right? So the main point is the fat. How much is the muscle? How much is the body fat? And again, one more interesting thing is you have to convert that fat percentage into kilos of the fat. Otherwise, how can subtract from the weight with the percentage? You cannot subtract na percentage to kgs, correct? So you have to, unless the percentage converted into kgs, only then you can able to subtract the actual weight required to be lost. So certain time, suppose you require to lose as per the weighing scale 40 kilos. Do you think all the 40 kilos is only fat? Not necessarily. Some could be water also. So water weight also could be there. So if it is a 40% body fat in 100 kilos of person, is not the same as that of 40% of fat, in a 80 kilos person. So this is base is changing. Here 40%, 40%, fat percent is the same, but base is changing. One here is 100 kilos. So 40% of 100 kilos, 40% of 80 kilos is not the same. It is different. So why that changes? Because it could be because of water retention. In the body, there will be accumulation of the water, edema. 70% is made up of water, no? Remember, 60 to 70%. So how to calculate, sir? Then how to calculate this body fat percentage convert into fat weight? This is how you can calculate. You can see this body weight, how much is the present value, how much is the ideal, how much is the target. This is how we calculate with this kind of scale. So more the BMR, faster the weight loss. What is BMR? Basal metabolic rate or resting metabolic rate. What is metabolism? Metabolism is a complex cycles, consisting of two things. One is catabolism, that is breaking down, and another one is anabolism. Anabolism is constructing, catabolism destructing, right? Body destroys some cells and reforms the new cells. They put together, these two put together called metabolism. Catabolism plus anabolism equivalent to is equal to metabolism, right? So if it is taken a resting state, it's called resting metabolic rate. If it is taken generally, it's called basal metabolic rate. If the BMR is higher, naturally weight loss will be higher because calories burned in the body is higher, metabolism is higher. So it's like equivalent like a engine, engine speed. If the engine is going faster, the fat loss also goes faster because fat breakdown is part of the catabolism. It also goes faster. If engine goes slow, okay, fat breakdown also goes slow. Simple logic, correct? So that's it. How to increase this engine speed? How to increase the engine speed? So now the more the muscles, more the exercise. Those are I'm going to discuss what are the factors that are contributing for BMR. This is like a basal metabolism. You can understand this is a lot of complicated cycle. See, if I take one small component, this will be like this metabolic small component pathways. So that's the reason why I'm telling you metabolism is a very complex cycle. That's the reason why weight loss also is a complex cycle. So you require to understand why you not losing weight. So if you understand, I'm going to give you some factors by which you understand why your weight loss is not going faster. More the muscle mass, more is the BMR. So naturally faster the weight loss. So if you have a more muscle, okay, meaning you lose very faster. But in case instead of muscle, if it is a fat is there in the body, composed of a lot of fat inside. So naturally muscle increases more faster weight loss, whereas fat decreases the fat loss. So that means you don't lose faster if your body is mostly consisting of the fat. Then how do I know, sir? How do I know that my body is made up of mostly muscle mass? So muscle mass you'll get to know through our scale by your body composition analyzer. You can see this men supposed to be between 33 to 36%, women supposed to be between 30 to 33. So muscle, bigger the muscle, better the BMR, faster the weight loss. Similarly, men will have more BMR because they have more muscle. So naturally the result weight loss of result also will be faster. And women have less BMR naturally because of more fat and less of muscle, and naturally the result will be slower. So for women the result weight loss will be slower. If the man and the woman both have the same height, both started walking, both started doing same program, okay, but still men will have faster result than the woman. So why? Because I said about muscle mass. Now next question is how to increase the muscle mass. So protein and exercise and other things I'm going to cover now. So tall people have more muscle, hence more BMR, hence lose faster than the short people. So naturally shorter people have less BMR because they have less muscle mass, right? So tall people have more BMR because they have more muscle. So naturally they lose faster. So if 6 feet person and 5 feet person, they compete, okay, with the same kind of diet and same kind of exercise, who will lose faster? The person who is taller. Now you understand it. So that's the reason why this weight loss always vary from person to person. You cannot compare and you can say that that person lost 6 kilos in 1 month, I also can lose 6 kilos in 1 month. Not necessary, because it varies from person to person. So now you have to check how much is your muscle mass, how much is your body fat mass. So young people will have more muscle, hence more BMR, hence lose faster than the old people. Simple logic. So that means age also matters. Older people have less muscle, more fat by default, by natural, that is how they got designed. So naturally old people, if they take the same program compared with the young people, old people lose slower. whereas young people lose the weight faster. Simple logic, correct? So from childhood to old age, with age, muscle mass goes down, fat mass increases. That's how it, nature, God creates that, right? So that's the reason why if you see this boy, girl, 1 year old girl, once she becomes turned to 25 years old, 50 years, 75 years old, same girl, but there are a lot of changes in the body and the muscle and the bone and body fat levels. You can see the accumulation of the body fat end up in a lot of health challenges. So more the thyroid deficiency, lesser the BMR, slower the weight loss. So if you have a thyroid deficiency, so we suggest check your thyroid levels, and because of thyroid deficiency, BMR will goes down. Okay, so that's the reason why you consult your doctor and take the proper medication and continue with the weight loss program. So one of the suspecting thing is thyroid levels. If the thyroid levels could have been fluctuated, so more the hormonal and medical issues like PCOD, polycystic ovary disorder syndrome, or hypertension. You are using any some kind of medication for psychological things. Those kind of medications interfere. Okay, so naturally, your basal metabolic rate will go down with the medication or hormonal problem. Naturally, weight loss will be slower. Correct. So what should I do? You have to check your levels and go to proper physician and try to balance the hormones as much you can. Lesser the sleep, lesser the BMR, slower the weight loss. So there is also connection of the sleep. You require to sleep for 7 to 8 hours proper deep sleep. If there is sleep is disturbing, naturally the BMR also goes down. Naturally weight loss also goes down, right? So particularly a lot of people nowadays, they have the night shift. Okay, so they don't sleep in the night, they sleep in the daytime. So naturally there will be variation in the metabolic rate. Naturally weight loss will be slower. So if you understand this, our food, जो खाना खाते हैं ना, whatever we are eating itself is not balanced. We eat too much of sugars, too much of salt, too much of alcohol, fats and refined carbohydrates. But we don't eat enough of proteins and vitamins and minerals and phytonutrients and fiber and water. We are overfed and undernourished. What to do? So looks like we are eating a lot, but actually nutrition wise very less. So when our food itself is not balanced, so when you cut down, naturally when you cut down in terms of when you do dieting, so naturally nutrition will goes down. So lesser the nutrients, lesser the BMR, slower the weight loss. So the secret is you require to have proper nourishment, proper nutrition to your body, and also check your hemoglobin levels. If your hemoglobin levels are low, then also the metabolism goes down and you don't get proper results, weight loss results. So you have to work for improving the hemoglobin levels. Heme means iron, globin means protein. Check your medical issues, hormonal levels, and adjust your medication for better results. And alongside of the taking of medication, you also can take our woman's choice. If you are a woman, okay, if you are a woman, particularly we have wonderful product made up of chasteberry and soy isoflavones. Woman's choice is a perfect, one tablet per day. You can take it. Is excellent combination for PMS, premenstrual syndrome, uh, perimenopause, and the menopausal things. Particularly people, they get irritations, emotional disturbance, and those kind of things. This is a very good addition of the Herbalife. And so try also Skin Booster. Skin Booster has also very good properties, very good nutrients, including collagen, and a lot of nutrients are there. Very, very, very good for the hormonal, not only hormonal, but also good for the skin. And collagen is consisting of actually most of body, muscles and nails and skin and hair and joints and bones are made up of collagen. So once this is given, it has a lot of health benefits. The first commandment of weight loss and metabolism is, if thou eat too little, thou will burn even less. That means if you eat very less, you burn very less. Means you don't burn proper calories. Your body has to burn more calories. Now BMR should be high. Instead BMR goes down when you skip food and when you do lot of fasting, when you don't do dieting, all those things. So that's the reason why take more the shakes intake, more the nutrition, more the muscle mass, more the BMR, and faster the weight loss. Simple logic, correct? So that's the reason why we ask you to take a lot of small meals, but many times. You see 7 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 4, 7, 9, 5 to 6 small meals a day. What is meal? More than 200 calories is considered as a meal. Less than 100 calories is called as snack, right? So shake is more than 200 calories with the milk, or the shake mate, then it's kind of perfectly comes under meal, right? Complete meal. Then the protein bites is less than 100 calories, if less than 50 calories, is a perfect combination of a healthy snack. So that's the reason why we suggest to take 5 to 6 small meals a day, including 2 ideal meals. This how you can have it, like a salads, like a little fish or chicken, and little salads, and more of shakes and a fresh. And you also can go for a protein bites, very good snack, healthy snack. It's less than 50 calories, 55 calories, and also has good, very nutrition dense. And how to use the products, your coach will guide you, tell you, okay. But this is the logic, is supposed to skip 2 meals, at least minimum 2 meals, not 1 meal. So take more meal, so that more protein also will come. So more the shakes means more the nutrition, more the protein, more the vitamins and minerals. So that's the reason why you shouldn't take only one, take more shakes, right? 1 pound of muscle burns about 15 calories per day, whereas the same 1 pound of fat burns only 3 calories per day, meaning fat useless in the body. So it only burns on 3 calories per day, whereas muscle burns 15 calories per day. Okay, half pound. Sorry, 1 pound means approximately half kg. So that means if your body is made up of more of muscle, it's very good for you. So that's the reason why you come under virtuous cycle. If your body is fully loaded with fat, you are under a vicious cycle. The more fat, lesser calorie burning. So you end up in frustration. So faster you try to make your body into muscle made, right? So that's the reason why we require a lot of protein shakes, protein nutritious shakes, not just only protein shakes, but balanced nutrition shake. Which else is there? What else is there in the world other than Herbalife meal replacement shake? We have Formula One, world's #1 meal replacement, but it has to be tailor made according to a requirement. So everybody is not the same, shouldn't have the same, but each person should be designed like how many spoons, how much protein powder, how much fiber, all that is required to be designed by your coach. So it should be nutrition dense and calorie controlled, also portion controlled, and also meal replacement. This is the beauty of Herbalife nutrition, and also is low in glycemic index, meaning low in sugar, very good for even for diabetic people. And sugar also contribute for weight loss, obesity, it. More the fruits and vegetable intake, more the BMR, faster the weight loss. The logic is more the nutrition, more the nutrients. But there is always a catch. What is the catch? You shouldn't too much eat anything, including fruits and vegetable. There is a limit. But if you don't eat, also problem. If you eat too much, also problem. That's a balance. More the supplements intake, more the BMR, faster the weight loss. Supplements acts like the accelerator. So we have different kind of supplements. Your coach will design for you. So that's very good for you. So naturally it will be helping you, boosting your metabolism. That's how you lose weight faster. So for example, to get vitamin E, you require 400 international units, or RDA. ODA is optimal daily elements. RDA is recommended daily dietary elements. In a day, how much is the requirement? To get this kind of vitamin E, you require 33 heads of spinach, 27 pounds of butter, 80 avocados, 5 pounds of wheat germ, which is very difficult not to eat in a day. So vitamin C, the ODA, optimal daily allowance, is 1200 to 200 milligrams. To get this, you require to eat 18 oranges in a day, or 17 kiwi fruits, or 160 apples. It is also difficult. So likewise, and not only this, but also the level of nutrition is coming down with the age, with the currently, the spinach those days is different from the spinach of now. The apple of 1985 is different from apple of 2020. So you can understand, because with the age, the nutrition values are going down day by day. So you have two choices. One is having the antioxidant rich foods or antioxidant rich supplements. So for example, we have cell activator, full of antioxidants, multivitamins. You have to eat all this, or you can go for antioxidant rich supplements, 7 colors. Every day you require to have this. Every day, that also in a proper quantity. If you cannot eat it, at least try this multivitamin mineral herbal tablets of ours. So we have, this is 21 tablets, 21 vitamins and minerals are loaded in this multivitamin. So plus, in addition to the cell activator, also has the alpha lipoic acid and resveratrol, powerful antioxidants, good for absorption also. So more the protein intake, more the muscle mass, more the BMR, so more the weight loss. So logic is, if you eat proper protein, ideal protein, you know preferably plant protein, you end up in more muscle mass. That's the reason why you get proper BMR. Naturally you end up in good weight loss. Indian diets unfortunately lack adequate protein, and this is untruth. So you require to go for all this in a day, but properly, to tell frankly, most of our government surveys and official surveys in India reveal that 73% of urban rich India is protein deficient. 73%. We can see this. 9 out of 10 Indians don't consume adequate protein. 91% of vegetarians and 85% of non-vegetarians are protein deficient. So unfortunately, we require to take protein every day, every meal, in every meal. So this personalized protein powder will do the trick for you. You can add this in your chapati, dosa, idli, or anything, whatever you can. If 1 kilo of body weight, you require 1 gram minimum. 1 kilo of body weight, you require 2 grams of protein, the best case. Okay, as per Dr. David Heber, is a director for Center for Human Nutrition at UCLA, and not only the protein, the quality of protein also equally important. Protein is made up of 20 amino acids. So some proteins are fast absorbing like casein and whey protein. Some proteins are slow absorbing like soy protein. So our satiety also equally important. If you eat it again, it feels hungry, you gain problem. So whereas ours is a combination of soy and whey and casein, so you don't feel hungry throughout. So that's how the design is made up of. So we have the protein bites. Also, we have the personalized protein powder. This is actually more better than even chicken. Okay, 27% more proteinaceous. Okay, in our personalized protein powder than the chicken thigh, right? So plus alongside that, we also have rebuild strength. Immediately after the exercise, you can go for a casein based protein and whey based protein. Is a supplement. It also consisting of BCAAs, a branch chain amino acids, and also has L-glutamine. They are very good for the exercise, sports nutrition segment, right? So, and if you remember, hemoglobin I was talking about, heme means iron, globin means protein. This has that iron and protein. So that means indirectly for a woman, this is also like a woman friendly. So after the exercise, you can try this rebuild strength. And more the good fat, greater the BMR, faster the weight loss. If you understand, our body is made up of our cells. Cells are made up of lipoproteins. Lipo means lipids and proteins. So we require good fat also. If you remember, the bad fat is driven by the good fat, driven out by the good fat. Like diamond cuts the diamond, right? So thorns removes the thorns. Same way, diamond cuts the diamond. So same way, bad fat is removed by the good fat. So that's the reason why good fat is unsaturated fat. You have to love it. You have to take more. Okay, like avocados and olives and those kind of stuff. Okay, like limited saturated fat, the fat which is solid in room temperature, to limit it, like creams and mayonnaise and butters and those kind of stuff. And you have to lose it. You have to get rid of trans fats and hydrogenated oils and tropical oils. So omega 3 is very important. Omega 3 is required to be taken every day. Is a part of the good fat, but omega 6 is supposed to be taken very smaller level. Unfortunately, most of the vegetable oils has omega 6, like like we have a lot of oils around, cooking oils, like sunflower oil, safflower oil, rice bran oil. Most of these vegetable oils contain omega 6. So omega 3 is more better, more healthier than the omega 6. Omega 3 has a good functions of brain and lungs and eyes and inflammation support, even for pregnancy, blood pressure, and even to burn, assist the burning of fat also. So now where do you get all this omega 3s? As I said really clearly, some dry fruits and these kind of salmon and ocean caught fish. But unfortunately, very difficult to get practically outside. So we have the Herbalife line. This also, soft gel also, you can have three to six capsules in a day. So depending on your requirement, that's how you more the bad fat, naturally more the calories are burned, naturally weight loss will be less. So don't eat bad fat. Okay, so like pizzas and burgers and French fries, cut it down as much you can. Reduce the saturated fat. Even non-veg for that matter is having more of saturated fat. Cut down non-veg, particularly mutton. Cut down. Okay, can have fish or chicken. That also in a proper way. How to make it, I'm going to come across now. How to cook it. More the ghee, more the dry fruits, more the calories in, slower the weight loss. So watch out for your ghee and dry fruits. Some people will say, no, dry fruits both acha hai na, ghee is acha hai, so good fat hai. Correct, sahi hai, but it also has calories. So you require to take ghee and dry fruits with a pinch of salt. Take it little, don't take so much, because it's a good doesn't mean you should can take more. Very small, 1 tsp tablespoon. Okay, so dry fruits are not wet fruits. Dry fruits they don't have water, so that's why they have the concentration of calories. So even so much goes for a lot of calories. So that's the reason why you should have it in a day, but very small, very sparingly. More the sugars and carbs you are eating, naturally beyond 40% of your body required calories, naturally they slower the weight loss. If you eat and end up in eating more of sugars like rice and chapatis and rotis, okay, sabjis, most of the sabjis are carbs, right? So fruits and vegetables, they contain good carbohydrates, like including a millets. Millets also comes under carbohydrates, though they are complex carbohydrates. But white flour, breads and cakes and pastries, they are very bad because they are made up of simple sugars. So you try to avoid this as much you can. The soft drinks and colas, how much ever you could. So wrong fuel, wrong food, wrong fuel to the vehicle. Instead of petrol, what will happen if you give kerosene to the vehicle? खराब होता है ना, same way. Okay, so try to cut down bad food to the body, and try to try to accumulate good nutrition to the body, and don't eat these kind of chips. They look like very lean and smaller. इसमें क्या होता है? कुछ भी नहीं होता है, कुछ भी नहीं है. Actually it's true, कुछ भी नहीं है. Nutrition wise nothing is there. Don't eat refined carbs, including maida based, refined flour based, breads, noodles and sweets. Don't eat it. Okay, and in the supermarket you can see a lot of sugar based. Don't eat it. So including your children, please don't eat it. Refined flour, maida roti, acha nahi hai. This is not good for you. And particularly this pav bhaji, nothing but sugar, bread, sugar, samosa, pakoda, all these are carbs and refined with oils. So that means they are actually dipped in oil, so not good. Samosas not good. They are calorie intensive, not nutrition dense. More the exercise and more the muscle mass, more the BMR, faster the weight loss. So exercise, don't stop. Increase the exercise, and increase the strength exercise, not just only exercises. Some people go for only regular walking is the last preference, not the first preference. Go for different kind of exercise, different kind of workouts that help you, including the resistance exercises and stress strength exercise. Increase the muscle mass. The more the muscle mass, more the BMR, and faster the weight loss, as I said earlier. So increase the muscle mass, work on the muscle. And if you have more water in the body, naturally the water retention is there. Then also you require to take intake of more water. Water. More the water intake, faster the weight loss. Why? Body try to remove the toxins from the body. So body is made up of 60 to 70% of water, it. So but water means only water. Okay, every 20 kilos of body weight you require 1 liter of water. If your weight is 80 kilos, you require 4 liters of water. 4 liters of water. If your weight is 100 kgs, you require 5 liters of water. So water does not mean buttermilk does not mean water. Like coconut water is not the water. It also has calories. Everything has calories. So only pure water, and in case you want to drink, go for Herbalife 2024 Hydrate, because this is again is a powder in water, so less than 5 calories. Plus it also has bioavailable electrolytes like B1, B2, B5, B12, C, vitamin C. Vitamin C is very important. We have this in Hydrate, 75% of vitamin C is covered. So you can try this, and also is no added sugar, no artificial colors, and banned substances tested. So completely safe. And exercise also, I said, increases the calories. So increase the calorie deficit. Actually, you end up in losing weight faster. As I said earlier, not just only aerobic exercises, not just only dance workouts, not just only dumbbells. Okay, so you have to keep on changing exercises routine. So that's the reason why coach is important. And exercise at best it only can burn up to 20% of the calories. So meaning you are to lose weight, if it's the equation of 100%, 80% depends on your eating, 20% depending on your exercise. Some people think only 80% exercise, 20% khana. It's not true. 80% khana. If you have proper control on the nutrition, proper diet, then your weight loss will be proper. Only 20% only exercise. Some people like mad person, they will be 4 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours in the gym or to keep on doing exercise. No. For weight loss, 20% only exercise, 80% diet, and 100% mindset. What is mindset? So what to eat, what not to eat, the motivation, then the thing, how you think. So this is important. That's the reason why we conduct a lot of nutrition classes, lot of lifestyle habits correction. Lifestyle habit correction goes a long way. After losing weight, it will help you to maintain it forever. Walking for 1 hour is equal to one small samosa. You see the calories, equivalent to calories burning. Swimming for half an hour is equal to one piece fruit cake or one plate pakora. And one jam tart if you eat equivalent to cycling for 1 hour. One masala dosa खाएगा, so naturally you have to do aerobics for 1 hour. So करना बहुत मुश्किल है, खाना बहुत आसान है. So eating is very easy and doing is very tough. You understand? So these are few examples. If you eat one onion ring, 410 calories, you have to इतना काम कर मेहनत करना है. So you have to burn so much, and one milkshake 780 calories. देखो, and one soft drink and pizza. So if you eat this and you have to end up in 2 hours, 3 hours, 3 घंटे मेहनत करना है, you have to work for longer hours. So इसलिए that's the reason why we say more control on the diet. The myth about exercise, scientists already proven useless, almost useless for weight loss. But people think 80% is exercise. It's not true. It's already proven and came in the Economist and a lot of magazines. Okay, so if you see this right side, our usually one meal goes to 1,000 calories. Lunch, raat mein khana, dinner, any one meal goes to 1,000 calories. Whereas shake goes to 200 calories. So that's the reason shake is always safe. It's a 200 calories and nutrition dense. Whereas here our Amara Khana is mostly calorie dense but nutrition less, right? So that's the reason why if you replace the khana, the meal, with the shake, okay, the shake is a complete meal replacement, not just meal supplement, complete meal replacement. For 1 month, for 1 year, you can see 268,640 calories will be replaced. Naturally, that part, the fat will come down, correct now? So that's the reason why this is a smart food for the smart work. If you are a sitting job, mostly busy life, so this is a smart food now. Like you have 3G phone, this is like a 3G khana. If you have a 5G phone, and this is like a 5G nutrition, 5G food. So when you have the 5G phone, but you go for 1G food, doesn't match, na? Same way. So more the skipping meals, more the hunger levels, end up eating extreme, slower the weight loss. So don't skip the meals, don't skip breakfast. So skipping breakfast help you lose weight? No, it's a false. That means you shouldn't skip. You shouldn't skip any meal, and discipline timings are very important. Discipline timings. So ours is the one of the world's famous breakfast. It's award winning best breakfast of many countries. So if you want to control your weight, start with the breakfast, and more the weight. Late if you eat at the dinner very late, so you end up in more slower weight loss. For example, if your dinner is sleep is at 9 o'clock, you have to finish off your lunch dinner by 6 o'clock. If you're sleeping at 10 o'clock, you have to finish off by your dinner by 7 o'clock. At least 3 to 4 hours gap is supposed to be there between the night dinner and the bed. So then the digestion will be proper. More you cut down food, very low calorie diet or very VLC, very low calorie diet, more the starvation, body goes into starvation mode, more chance of body resisting it. So naturally body goes for a plateau. Plateau means flat, slower the weight loss. So if you cut down, मैं इतना ही खाता हूँ sir, so I eat very small sir, very low sir. So that is the reason why your body will not be properly burning. I said, remember, it's like a metabolism. Body goes slow, body goes under starvation mode. Body, it says no, 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 I will not give any fat, no more. So that's the reason why plateaus are normal in the process. So if that your body hits the plateau, don't give up, just keep trying, keep trying. How to increase that, increase the BMRs at those days? Very simple. As I said, eat, go back to basics. Basics are colorful food, 7 colors of meal, and low calorie plus nutrition dense. And same way, I should keep on skipping. Don't skip the meals, time to time, and pani and nutrition supplements and exercise, all this. And when the plateau is there, increase more exercise, increase the supplements. So that's how we have to. Okay, so body is more smarter than us. So you have to outsmart the body. How to outsmart the body? Body goes into comfort zone. That's the reason why you have to outsmart the body by confusing the body. What is confusing the body? Suddenly you have to change that little here and there diet pattern and exercise pattern. So that's the reason why we, the coaches, that's why leave it to coaches. Coaches will help you. They have to little make corrections in the diet at times, when things are not going well. So that's the reason why when our food itself is not balanced, when you cut down, end up in more problem. So that's the reason why go for your help from the coach. As I said earlier, metabolism very complex subject. It takes time to understand. So that's why sometimes as a layperson, many people don't understand all these cycles. That's the reason why required of your coach. One coach is required. So take Herbalife coach, wellness coach. He will help you. How much pani you will keep on tracking all the things. So you have to confuse the body to get adapted to slow metabolism. So change the workout and dietary routines and lifestyle corrections, sleep and everything. So better is the calcium and vitamin D levels balanced, better is the metabolism, faster could be the weight loss. Meaning calcium and vitamin D also supposed to be proper. When the calcium levels also low, naturally end up in problems, particularly PMS and cancer risk and BP. It has a lot of calcium, has a great role in bones and PMS and colon cancer, blood pressure and all that, right? So that's the reason why not just only osteoporosis and osteoarthritis, calcium with vitamin D has a lot of impact. So more the medications, more the toxins, more the water retention, slower the weight loss. That means if you are under any kind of medication, result will be slow because the metabolism goes down because of more toxins in the body. So इसलिए more water, ज़्यादा पानी भी रहता है अंदर में. So how to get rid of this excess waste water? That is by cellulose and multivitamins. So lesser the water retention, greater could be the weight loss. So you take more of supplements like cellulose and multivitamin. This will be cellulose will be helpful for the removal of the fluid, excess fluid levels or excess waste water, right, in the body. So likewise, smoking also not good. Smoking and alcohol. Smoking does not give you calories, but smoking actually increases the what? So carbon monoxide ends up in becoming carbonic acid. Carbonic acid actually works like like a toxin in the body. Body try to hold a lot of water so that the acidity will not burn the tissues. That's how you bulge, because of water retention, not because of calories. So the weight increases because the smoking, because of not because of calories, but because of the toxicity, toxins. Okay. So similarly, alcohol also, but alcohol has calories also. Okay. 1 gram of alcohol is equal to 7 calories. So 100 grams of alcohol is equal to 700 calories, extra calories plus also toxicity. So that's the reason why we suggest cut down smoking, eliminate smoking, and cut down alcohol, or eliminate or totally avoid alcohol, including caffeine also has a great role in weight loss. Coffee and tea. So we require 300 milligrams of coffee in a day, but sometimes our coffee has more of caffeine. So that's the reason why if you take more coffee and tea, that also ends up in water retention. So that's how also has calories. That's how you end up in more weight. So your weight loss will be affected. So that's the reason why we suggest to cut down your tea coffee consumption, and in place of that, take a fresh and energy drinks, right? So this is what the thing. And stress also contribute for water retention. So if you have the stress problem, what you have to do? Meditation in a right way, right meditation, prayer, sitting with the God, have proper relaxation, then it will stress levels go down and change the place. So that's how you can lose weight faster, right? So I given already eating guidelines in another video, that's why I'm not covering over here. You have proper eating guidelines. For example, when you are watching TV, you are not supposed to eat. When you are watching cell phone, you are not supposed to eat, because the focus is not on eating but on other side. So naturally you end up eating more. So when you are hungry, when you are angry, when you are lonely, when you are tired, we try to avoid eating. That ends up in binge eating. So, and similarly, learn also healthy recipes, how to make healthy recipe in less calories but nutrition dense nutrition. So that's how you are supposed to understand. And when you shop also, understand what you are buying. So whatever how many are the calories, understand the label, read the label and understand it. Unnecessarily waste of money is being wasted, at the same time calories also being wasted, nutrition also being wasted. So when you go out, particularly for parties and functions, dining out, have the proper dining out tips, right? More the outside dining, more the chance of calories loaded, slower the weight loss. I have seen in my experience, one outside meal, interferes with the 1 week result. So, sir, I did not do anything, sir. Only ek bar bahar gaye. So that actually spoiled 1 week ka khana, 1 week ka result, waste, useless one guy. So outside meal, that is so much of, it creates so much of difference because ends up lot of sugar, lot of calories, lot of salt inside. Salt also causes a lot of water retention, it. So that's when try to cut down outside food as much you can. And more the buffet you choose, more the varieties of foods, more the calories. So instead of buffet, go for a la carte. A la carte, no, ordering by menu, right? Looking at the menu card. So less food, less calories. More the choices, more the varieties, more the, eating calories in, naturally more fat, more the fat accumulation. So ultimately comes back to calorie in versus calories out. So calories in supposed to be less, calories out supposed to be higher. So calorie is not a calorie. Remember, sometimes we think all are calories, but there are some good calories like broccoli. There are bad calories like ice cream. See, these are bad calories, not at all good. This is good calories. Left side is good calories. And you should not eat fried. Fish is good, but fried fish is not good. So chicken is okay, but fried chicken is not at all okay. So then the way you cook also important. So don't choose this label: steamed, pressure cooked, grilled, stewed, boiled, or baked. Don't take it. Naile nai. So beware of the hot. So sorry. Steamed, pressure cooked, grilled, stewed, boiled, or baked lenai. Okay. Don't eat fried. Fry lenai. You should not take fried. You should take steamed, pressure cooked, grilled, stewed, and boiled and baked. So beware of the hotel breakfast. Whenever they give you free, of course, sometimes you end up eating more. Okay, we lose the sense of proportion, and we lose stuff more. We lose the consciousness. So keep away from breaded and fried foods, creamy sauces, mayonnaise, butter, French fries, and foods in batter and gravies. In our food, mostly South Indian, we eat a lot of gravies. Some people say, I don't eat rice and chapati, I only eat gravies or curries. I say, given curries also with gravy, that's also full of loaded with calories, right? So be careful. And certain times they say breaded fish, breaded chicken. So the chicken and fish is okay, but it is covered by bread. That bread is again, roasted or fried, with oil. So that's it. Be careful. We don't want bread because it contains sugar. So eat directly fish if you wanted to, chicken instead of breaded or creams and mayonnaise. Don't want. And these desserts, they giving you weight like anything. Don't want this. They looks sweet outside, but they cause poison inside. Some friends, they look sweet outside, but they have the poisonous heart inside. Some food also similar way. So food looks tasty, tempting, but once you eat it, becomes like a poison. Okay, desserts which gain your weight, these are not at all good. Don't give to your children or yourself. Beware of ice cream. It is sugar, frozen fat, and hundreds of empty calories, hundreds. So if you eat these cones, you don't require to eat. Actually, you can breakfast and lunch and dinner, because everything is covered in this cone only. Okay, but people, they eat food and also eat this ice cream. This is unfortunate. They end up in double calories. So many people think doing exercise and going to gym is difficult, lifting the weights is difficult, but actually difficulty is designing the diet, proper diet according to their body and personality. So avoid your temptation. I have given this covered in this in another video, how to avoid food temptation from home, and understand what is made up, the food, how it is made up of. Is it carbs or fat or sugar or protein? So dining out tips, I given in a separate video how to eat in a healthy way. So instead of for deep fried appetizer, get a steamed or stir fried ones. Order clear, soup, stir fried soup instead of creamy soups. Like instead of kofta, malai makhani, go for ordinary one. Like instead of dal makhani, go for tadka dal. Okay, so instead of butter and naan, go for only naan without butter. Likewise, there are a lot of things are there. I covered in another section, dining out tips. So go for that, right? So more you maintain food diary. Sometimes food diary is the diary which you maintain. Preferably I maintain food and mood diary also. In which mood are you and what kind of food you eat? Once you just maintain for 1 week, 10 days, then you understand everything where is going wrong. So just for 1 week or 10 days, whatever is going into the mouth, write it down. Okay. So you don't do more mistakes. Once you maintain a diary for 1 week, food journal, whatever goes into the mouth for 1 week,
Sometimes we think coconut water is there, not what is there. Sugar cane juice is water. It's just like a water, buttermilk water. So, but everything has calories. So write it down. Tea, coffee ki mein kya hai? So tea, coffee, write it down. Kitna liya? How many tea, coffees you taken? Everything, you have to count. So liquid calories, kitna soft drinks, kitna alcohol, kitna buttermilk, kitna sambar, kitna fruit juice, everything count. Calories, everything has calories, but you just have to understand which are good calories for you, which are bad calories. You see, these are the left side, the first two are good calories, the right side is bad calories. So you have to choose which are good, which is bad for you. Similarly, also see how much is going filled with stomach. So पेट भर भी रन है ना, so satiety we call in English, satiety भी रन है. So replace your tea and coffees with a fresh. Caffeine in moderation help in weight loss. If you remember, actually caffeine is a good weight loss accelerator, but it should be in moderation, 300 milligrams. It shouldn't be beyond, otherwise it becomes like a toxin. So instead of coffee, tea, go for Afresh. Our Afresh has 0 calories. Less than 5 calories is considered as a 0 calories, and it actually better than herbal teas because it is 12 times less in calories. And if you take this fresh for almost for 1 year, so with this also you lose some weight, some fat because of calorie deficit. Very important to understand. And we have if you take it for 2 to 3 times, 84,680 calories deficit is created instead of tea, coffee. So now your simple case with this Afresh is available in different flavors: ginger, ilachi, peach, lemon, and we have cinnamon. We also have tulsi, and the weight is 1 gram, 1 spoon or 1.5 spoon, 50 grams. So it also 50 servings. Energy drinks and green teas and caffeine in moderation helps in the weight loss. And this caffeine is also available with us in tablet form. This tablet is there in herbal control. It has the black tea, green tea, and oolong tea. These three are very good in caffeine. Okay, one tablet, you consider 80 milligrams of caffeine. So caffeine, as I said, remember, it increases the metabolism. So it is taken properly. So you should not cross 1 or 2 tablets in a day. It actually helps you in increasing the fat loss, right? Green tea extract, these are very good. So caffeine also has a higher level toxicity, but Afresh has only 40 milligrams. Whereas other, if you see here, coffee is 150 milligrams of caffeine, and filter coffee has 135. Instant coffee is 100 calories, 100 caffeine milligrams of caffeine, whereas fresh is only 40 milligrams of caffeine. So ours is an even less variant of caffeine, but very good in nutrition and absorption. Ultimately, pani ja raha hai na, inside it goes like a water. More you balance nutrition calories, faster the weight loss. So go for a balance. So it's a balance is the key in the life. Sometimes we don't know how to balance it. More you eat fiber rich foods, lower the sugars, lesser the calories, faster the weight loss. This is logic. So don't eat less fiber foods, eat more fiber rich foods. But what are the less fiber foods? Most of the sweets and bakery items and ice creams, they all comes under sugars, highly sugar, high in um, simple sugars, and maida, refined flour, is not at all good, particularly in the form of biscuit. We don't want any kind of biscuits. Even if they say oat biscuit, okay, digestive biscuit, there are confusing claims. Don't eat it, okay? And our most of the Indians, we eat only 10 to 12 grams per day of fiber, but unfortunately we require 30 to 40 grams of fiber per day, depending on person to person, designed by your coach. So go to your coach and ask him how much fiber you require to take it. So this active fiber complex powder is there. You can mix it in chapati or idli, dosa, anywhere. The fiber will come back to you. Actually, it is considered as a fiber is considered as what? Prebiotic. It has a lot of brain gut connection, right? So that's the reason why we suggest to don't take fruit juices, take fruits directly. Okay, so gut brain axis is very important. Sometimes gut, we have a bad gut, unhealthy colon, so because of toxins, so it cannot digest the food. That's the reason why you put on weight. So that's the reason you have to cleanse the gut. Proper cleansing will happen if you take proper nourishment to your body. And shake mate is also very good in place of milk. Some people cannot digest the milk. The shake mate does the trick. Okay, just 2 scoops. And similarly, Simply Probiotic, we have the wonderful probiotic supplement called Simply Probiotic. Live microbe, 1 billion bacteria, through one sachet goes into the stomach and try to help you increase the immunity levels and absorption of the food. It's actually very good for your gut. Gut is considered second brain, you know it. So alongside, we also can give aloe plus or herbal aloe drink, right? Aloe concentrate. Many people, they don't drink enough water. Pani ज़्यादा लेना है ना, ये हर 20 kilos का weight वजन के लिए 1 liter लेना है. So your weight is 100 kilos, you require 5 liter, I said earlier. But they are not drinking enough water. So then how to drink more water? The water is not tasty. So how to make water tasty? This herbal aloe concentrate mix will do the trick. It's a mango flavor. Add 1 scoop, one cap in the 1 liter or 1 glass of water and drink it. It looks like a mango flavor, mango juice, and pani ja rahe hain. It actually is low in calories and less in sweet. More you are challenged, faster the weight loss. So challenges actually make us to run faster. So that's the reason why 21-day body weight loss challenge, body transformation challenge always does the trick. So we conduct a lot of 21-day weight loss challenges. So remember, this will also help you. So join our weight loss challenges. How many calories? Ultimately, calories, should be less, nutrition dense. Okay, we should not eat calorie dense food. We should eat nutrition dense food. Why? Because excess calories are stored as fat mass. Excess baggage, in the airport we say excess baggage. So calories in versus calories out. You should cut down the calories in eating and increase the calories burning, correct? Exercise. So ultimately calorie matching hona hai, including the body BMR supposed to be high, and exercise and daily activity supposed to be high, and the dietary calories supposed to be lesser, and nutrition dense, very important. So the shake does the trick. Shake has nutrition dense and less in calories, 200 calories. So say 70 kilos of person suppose requires 2100 calories per day. Then how much is 30%? 30% of good protein is supposed to take protein, 40% of carbs, and 30% of good fat. So this is the calculation given. So protein, fats, and carbs, right? So ultimately 1 gram of protein goes to 4 calories. 1 gram of carbs is equal to 4 calories. 1 gram of fat is equal to 9 calories. That's the reason why you should be careful about the fats content. And the same way ratio is also given. 40% of carbs, 30% of protein, 30% of good fat, right? So that's how you have to design your calories intake. So sit with your coach, you will design and tell you how many calories of diet you require to take. In that also, what is the proportion, what is the macronutrients content and micronutrients content. So suppose this is all, it looks like very confusing for you. So sit with your coach, they will help you all these things. So actually to lose 1 kilo of fat weight, you need to burn 8,000 calories in a day. Meaning, suppose your goal is to lose 1 kilo fat. Okay, so convert, understand the thing. You require to create 8,000 calories of deficit per week. Okay, meaning 8,000 by 7, meaning per day you require to cut down about 1,000 calories. Okay, from the calories out. Like what is calories out? Total body burning and the exercise and other put together. So don't be afraid to give up the good for the great. So good to great concept is there. Sometimes some things are good. आप जो खा रहे हैं ना सही है, मगर ये अच्छा नहीं है, ओके, बेस्ट नहीं है. इसलिए you may be eating good, but it is not the best. So don't be afraid to give up, leave the good ones for the sake of the best ones. We have the best solutions. So just to think, leave about certain things. Yeah, my car sahi hai, but it is not the best. Give it to us. We'll take care of your thing and give it to your coaches. They will help you. Weight loss is a temporary goal. Don't focus only on weight loss. Don't be mad. Don't be mad on the weight loss. Some people only look at the weighing scale. Mad. Don't be like that. Okay. Healthy living is the main goal. Why you require to lose weight? Ultimately, another day you have to live longer, live healthier. Okay, healthy living is a lifetime commitment. Focus on that and demand more from your body. Try to bend your body. Body is supposed to serve you, not you are supposed to serve the body. It has to be under your control. Take charge of your life. Take charge of your body. Treat your body like a temple, not like a dustbin. That's what Jim Rohn says. So treat your body like a holy place. This is not a dustbin to keep anything and everything is available. So people are giving you free ice cream. Don't take it. People are giving you free gulab jamun. Don't take it. Free bhi isme bhi calories रहता है ना. Free food में भी calories रहता है. So please remember, your coach is important. Product right use is important. Your healthy community. We create the healthy community. If you working alone, it will not help you. Join with us, community. So healthy community is very important. Right nutrition supplements recommended by your coach is important, because your coach will design according to your budget as well as your body requirement.
And daily education topic also help you. That education actually good for your mindset, and refer to many people as much you can, so that you are helping many people. And share your results, and open your videos. And steps and calories burnt is very important. Keep track of the calories burnt, how many calories are burning, then you have a open minded of discussion. So 21-day weight loss challenge or body transformation challenge we have. So every 3 weeks we have this challenge. So in case you are serious, please join us. And we also have different kind of workouts: cardio, body weight and strength exercise, resistance and yoga and pilates, arm toning, core strength and dance fitness, Bollywood, Zumba, partner workouts, Bollywood, fitness, upper body, lower body. And we also have core strength and different topics on children nutrition, adult nutrition, teenage nutrition, good fats and bad fats and sugars, carbs and calories. So many healthy dining out, outside shopping, so many things like to lifestyle corrections. We also take pictures, and we encourage the people to take pictures, and we keep track in terms of fat and measurements. And we do like a community, create the healthy community. We recognize the people who celebrate their success, and we conduct the few games, and we also conduct workout challenges. So this is the reason why this healthy community will be helpful for you. Join us, join our community. Dance workouts we do, follow up on customer care we do, counseling and personalizing we do. We design according to your budget and according to your lifestyle. So we give you tasty shakes and nutrition supplements. Results on the we recognize the results on the walls, and recognize in front of many people. And we also sell the retail the products to you, so that you can try it from your home. And you can also join for our weight loss challenge virtually. Everything is virtual from your home. And as I said about me, I have 18 years of experience. Personally, we tried on ourselves first before we recommend to many people. And my age is 51, my wife is 43. We now coaches, we ourselves want to be models first, right? So we give it to our children, they also get wonderful results. And I myself lost 12 kilos in 2.5 months. Then I kept it off from 18 years. For the last 18 years I'm this weight only, 55 kilos, 56 kilos, something according to my height. So my wife lost weight, my children they gain height. You can see this different amazing results. So my wife looking so younger and healthier. I am also looking healthier. I do marathon, half marathon, and do cycling. I'm a triathlete. My wife also does a workouts, exercise, and I'm a certified nutrition fitness consultant and a sports nutrition consultant. And I have a lot of certifications. You can see here. I'm also got certificate from American Society of Nutrition. I was a former Group 1 officer. Because of my passion, I came into this because of my wife and other circumstances. And if you have a coach, please consult your coach first. Your coach will give you everything. If you don't have any coach, wellness coach or Herbalife coach, please call us this number, or also email us to our email ID, or reach us through Instagram or Facebook or website, YouTube channel. Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe and and share this to many people, so that this will be actually helpful for many people. Wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you so much for your patience. And please just share this one to many people. And thank you so much for your understanding. Bye.